Yo, what is up, guys? It's Timmy Lizard here. Today we're gonna play Poop. It's a game that has like other games, so yeah, you can basically wash him, which is give soap to them and stuff. Okay, so you could just wash them and put the lab on them, play games, and they have meters here. So yeah, for all you Timmy Lizards here, you might wanna check out this game. It's called Poo, P-O-U, and maybe we could play together. Anyone? Any lizards? Yeah. So yeah, buy some food, some candy. Of course, candy's like so good. Why couldn't we live without candy? Just feed them some freaking candy. Ungrateful piece of trash. Fucking idiot. Alright, so enough with that. So let's start playing. We should play, I don't know. Pet walk, I guess? Yeah, pet walk. Pet walk. Remove the next obstacle with your finger up right Okay, so that's enough, bruh. And today we're I'm like hoops again. Hoops. Use your finger to aim the ball and shoot into the hoop. Okay, like this. Okay, cool. Can we make it? Yeah, we made it. Nope, I didn't make it. So if you're watching this video, Rigo or Robro, make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, and all to you lizards too. And yeah. Okay, we're going for the long shot. Let's see if we pull it like that. Will I make it in? Or will this make it in? Or will this make it in? Or this? Bruh. Okay, so now we're gonna play. Find Pooh, I guess. Okay, so find Pooh. Where's Pooh? Under the witch cup. Oh, this thing. That one? Okay, yeah. That one. Okay, that one. That one. Dude, you think you have a catchy too? So yeah, guys. Yep. I'm so like beast. Oh yeah, my friend's YouTube. Yeah, he's a YouTuber. Chick Monster cool. His name is Oliver Ramirez, and he has a picture of a Minecraft picture. So he's really great. I'll give him like a 10 out of 10. Yep. Clap that up. Clap that up, people. Okay, I freaking don't know what the fuck. Holy shit! I actually got that shit. Alright. Yo, what the fuck? Is he right there? Is that him? Fuck yeah! Alright. Alright, lizards. You gotta keep rotating around. Oh, what the freak? Man. What is this? I'm very curious. Food drop. Feed Pooh. Careful not to miss or feed it bad things. That's abuse. Okay, I'm serious. Okay, that is abuse. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so like, yeah. Why would they feed a freaking piece of turd food? Okay, that's just weird. Okay. Dude, really? It's a catchy too, I'm serious. Why? Is it falling from the sky? Like, what the heck? Oh. Someone's probably throwing them because they don't like them because they're ungrateful. This turd likes to eat stuff. Alright. We'll do this shit. We'll do this. Oh my god. What was that? Oh fuck. This is fucking hard. Oh, I got the freaking shit. Oh god, I missed it. Oh. Bruh. Who freaking, oh my god. Who feeds a CD to a freaking turd? So freaking weird. Alright, you guys. Jet Pooh. Hey! What do I do? What do I... Oh, so it's like Flappy Bird. Man, they have like weird games and catchy tunes. Like this one. Oh, I'm pressing this, you guys. Oh, bruh. Right when I freaking said it. Alright. What I'm heading for is for candy. It's literally for cookies. Bruh. I don't think we're gonna do that. So the next thing, what is it? Which one are we gonna do? Which one? Cliff Dash. Here we go. Oh yeah, so I played game. Right when we were getting the good part. Bruh. I'm very sick. I have an itchy throat, you guys. Gut. What the fuck? Yeah, that's my girlfriend in the background. So yeah. We gotta give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to join the lizard family, just gotta subscribe. Leave a comment if you want me to play another FNAF 4 or any FNAF or any other game. Any other games. So, I'll see you lizards tomorrow. Bye, lizards.